In the previous lecture, we have seen that making parametric is not very useful when it comes to cam rods and cams assembly. So let us just copy the one that we had created in multicams folder and put it into parametric folder. So here I have the same file. Now let us start assembling our parametric product. So I'm going to name this as parametric assembly and click on save. Now let us bring in the parametric support. Now the support, I'm going to ground it. So I'll just right click this and I'll click on ground. So based on this, all the others I'm going to assemble. Now let us bring in cam rods and cams assembly. Here we are not going to use joints for assembly. I'm just going to place it and bring it to approximately the same position. This is only for reference. So later, once we have finalized the pattern, we can give the exact joints. Next, let us bring in the parametric pattern. So here, I'm going to keep it approximately in the same position as how it would be once joints are applied. So now you can actually check before you finalize this automaton toy that you want to make. And if you're satisfied, you can go and make this into bodies. And from bodies, you can convert the pattern into components, and then after exporting, you can bring them one by one over here. Or if you want to make a change, you can go to open and go to the sketch where you have to change the pattern. So after you have changed the pattern, again go to finish sketch, and then again you can cross check over here how the look of that pattern is, and then export each one of the parts after combining them. So after all these steps, you can export and then go for motion study in parametric assembly by bringing each one of them.